everyone, this is Holly from SINOMADA. Today we are honored to visit SUNWARD factory. Let's go and see it together. Now the machine behind me is SUNWARD Mini Crawler Excavator SWE20F. Let me show you more details. The bucket capacity is 0.04 cubic meters, and the overall dimension of length, width, height is 3,800 millimeters, 2,400 millimeters, and 1,000 millimeters. Okay, let's see the engine. Because the hydraulics are often regarded as the heart of the machine, SUNWARD chose the Yanmar engine. This engine uses indirect injection and it features low fuel consumption, low noise and vibration level, and high altitude performance control. Okay, so much for this. If you have any questions or need other construction machinery, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye bye.